Yo, what's up everyone? It's Marvelous Creation and we're diving into the world of networking. Now, I know what you're thinking, networking. Sounds complicated, right? But trust me, it's more straightforward than you think. Think of networking like learning a new language. Whether you're troubleshooting Wi-Fi or curious about the internet, this video's got you covered. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about networks. Imagine a bunch of devices like your computer, phone, and smart fridge, all connected and talking to each other. That's a network. Whether it's wired or wireless, a network lets your devices share resources, access the internet, and play games together. Now, each device on a network is called a node. Your laptop, your smartphone, that printer, those are all nodes. Each node has a unique address so the network can track everyone and everything. But how do they actually communicate? That's where protocols come in. They're like the rules of the road, ensuring everyone's speaking the same language and following the same traffic laws. Now, remember how we talked about each node having a unique address? That's your IP address, your digital home address. It's a series of numbers identifying your device on the network, like a digital fingerprint. It's how you get YouTube videos and emails delivered to your inbox. Ever wondered how your data gets from your device to Google servers? Routers are the traffic directors of the internet, finding the most efficient route for your data. They connect different networks and keep everything running smoothly. Now let's talk about switches. While routers connect different networks, switches handle connections within a single network. They play a crucial role in keeping things efficient, especially in larger networks. With all this data flying around, you might wonder about security. That's where firewalls come in. Your digital bodyguards, protecting your network from intruders and attacks. They monitor traffic, blocking anything suspicious and keeping your data safe. Ever wondered how your computer finds websites when you type in a domain name like google.com? That's where DNS comes in. It's like the internet's phone book. Without DNS, we'd be stuck memorizing long strings of numbers to visit our favorite websites. You've probably heard of LAN or local area network, your home turf, connecting devices in a limited area like your home or office. It's about close-range communication, sharing files, printers, and maybe battling it out in online games. WAN, or wide area network, covers a larger area, connecting multiple LANs across cities, countries, or continents. The internet is a massive WAN, connecting billions of devices. Imagine manually assigning IP addresses to every device. What a headache. Thankfully, DHCP automates this. It's like having a personal network admin assistant assigning IP addresses and settings as devices connect. Finally, let's talk about TCP/IP, or Transmission Control Protocol, Internet Protocol. This is the language of the internet, the rules that govern how data is transmitted and received across networks. So there you have it, a crash course in basic networking terminology. We've covered a lot, but hopefully you now understand how networks work and the key players involved. If you found this video helpful, hit like and subscribe for more tech breakdowns. Thanks for watching.